Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious ice cream. It's a choco banana ice cream that my mom used to make for us when I was a child. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Of course, banana, chocolate chips, semi-sweet, almonds, and little lollipop sticks. This is everything we need to make this delicious covered banana lollipop. So let's get started. I want to start by slicing the bananas, and you want to make sure that the bananas are nice and ripe, so that the banana is nice and delicious, and the sugary, just like this. You just put the stick right in the middle. You just go in about 1 to 2 inches inside the banana, so that the banana the stick would really stick into the banana, just like this, one by one. This is a treat that my mother used to make me when I was a child, and I really loved it. And now that I have kids, why not make it at home and have them enjoy what I used to enjoy when I was a child? But if you have kids at home, of course, they could help you do this. This is very easy. It's not dangerous for them. They could help you, put the little stick in every piece of the banana. Of course, you could do the whole banana if you would like, but I really like cutting it in half so that everybody gets a piece, or even everybody could get a second banana dipped in chocolate. So here they are completely done. I'm gonna go ahead, take them to the refrigerator. They're gonna be there for at least 30 minutes so that the banana gets nice and cold and firm. Let's take it to the refrigerator. Here, I'm going to start by toasting my almonds. I have my oven preheated for 400 Fahrenheit, and they're just going to go in for about 10 to 15 minutes. When you start smelling the almonds, that means that they are ready to come out of the oven. Remember that they cook very fast, and you don't want to burn your almonds. I'm going to let them rest for about 10 minutes. Now they've been resting, they're nice and cold. Now I am going to go ahead and start adding them here to this little plastic slip bag. I'm going to add them in here, and then I'm going to start crushing them. We just want to crush them just a little bit so that there's not too many of big pieces in there. We don't want to crush them so much there it's powder, but we want to see the texture of the almond in every single one of the bananas. Look at this. There's still some that are whole, some that are just cracked in the middle. That's the way we want it. I'm gonna go ahead, transfer it here to this little plate. So when I pull out the bananas, they're easy to add it on right on the top. So this is done. I'm gonna continue with my chocolate chips. I have them here in this little plate. I'm gonna go ahead, take them to the micro, and just melt the chocolate chips. I forgot that I have this little machine here that it warms up and it dissolves the chocolate really fast. So what I'm gonna do, that's what I'm using right now. But if you don't have it, of course, just take it to the microwave and just put it in there for every 10, 15 seconds, and then move them around. And here I am ready to start covering the bananas. The bananas are nice and cold, and I'm going to help myself with the spoon so that I could cover completely
the whole banana with chocolate, just like this. I know that it takes time, but I know that your family, especially the kids, are really going to enjoy this dessert. And it's perfect for the summer. Okay, once the banana is nice and covered, make sure that you quickly add the almonds right on the top. Help yourself and put them right on the top so that the chocolate doesn't firm up, and then you are unable to add the almonds on the top. So right after you add the chocolate, really quickly, let's transfer it and start adding the almonds. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding it to a parchment paper so that they do not stick. So what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm doing one by one, covering the banana with the chocolate and immediately putting it into the almonds so that the chocolate is still nice and hot, nice and warm, and will still stick into the almonds. So just make sure that this step you do it a little quick because the chocolate will dry quickly. Remember that the banana is really nice and frozen. Okay, this is done. This is what I'm going to continue doing with the rest of them. And it's a little time consuming, but they come out delicious every time. Let's make sure that we do this step really quickly so that everything is nice and covered. And of course, the chocolate is still nice and warm. Look at this. So easy to prepare, and these are items that we already have in our home. Bananas are always in our home. Almonds and chocolate maybe not all the time, but that's so easy to go and purchase. Look at this. I'm going to continue with the rest, and I'll show you when I am completely done covering every single one. Here, I'm completely done. I want to show you so that you see how they look. After they're completely covered, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator, and I can't wait for the presentation.
My friends, I am done with this banana dipped in chocolate and all the almonds, toasted almonds. This is the part I love, I enjoy. This is a very easy to make recipe, especially if you have kids at home. They could help you. And with this hot weather, this is perfection. You know that this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward to tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The banana is so soft on the inside, nice and cold. The combination with the banana, chocolate, almonds is just perfection. Excuse me. My friends, this is just delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell, and if you did already, it's activated. And every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious dessert. Bye-bye.